Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this metallic text effect in CapCut PC. I'll just type in the word metal and I'm just going to select this font. You can use any font that you want. Then you're going to select a color. You can actually just choose any color that you want. I'm just going to select purple and I'm going to adjust the duration, copy and paste that. Then I'm going to select this one. I'm just going to go like from the darkest to the lightest here. I might add this one and I might add in just like one plain white one. Right click, create compound clip on each of the colors. It looks a little bit more realistic if you choose like gold or like actual like silver color. But let's just go to video, go to mask and select mirror. And we're going to make like a highlight here in the middle or wherever you want. I'm just going to make it really small here and I'm going to feather that out. Select the next one, go to video, select mirror, and you're just going to again make that small and you're going to feather it out as well. I think the color difference between the white and that isn't that much, so I'm just going to delete that instead and I'll just do this one. And then I'm just going to, again, I'm going to feather it out. Then we have this one. I'm going to feather that out again. And last but not least, we have this last color. And yeah, that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.